Let me
Okay.
take you.
No, I'm not taking picture. I'm just videoing it. Yes, today is a little bit dull day, but sunny. I won't call it dull per se. I'll say sunny. I just came for a walk around here. That's a different place entirely. This around a meeting means it's called the Mains Castle, around the Mains Castle. So that's where we are. You look up there, you see. I guess that's my husband, and that's one friend having a barbecue. They kind of sitting down by the that move where what? They're just sitting down by the water, enjoying the waterfall, the sound of many waters. You see, sound of many waters. You can hear the lovely sound of the waters. You know, just a few body of what do you call that, stream? Yeah, something like that. And the interfall. You know, what I love is just the sound. You know, the sound of the water, the way it's rushing. Lovely, isn't it? You know, as a work of nature. God is so powerful. Something that God created for our own use. You know, people come in here. You know, I'm sure you have something like that in your locality, in your neighborhood, or within your area. It doesn't have to be in your neighborhood. It can be your city where you are. You know, it's Scotland. Scotland has a lot of this. Scotland is a beautiful place when it comes to connecting to nature. That's why the Scottish people are so intelligent. The Scottish people are that's my own opinion. They're one of the most intelligent people in the United Kingdom. Very creative, yes. You know, so they have all these lovely sceneries. You know, natural sceneries. Okay, I can't overemphasize it. Just take you up. You know, we just came for a walk around here. Yeah. Having a wee walkie. Having a wee walkie. Your husband is climbing tree. Having a wee walkie. So the sun is coming out. It's a little bit cold, but sunny at the same time. The sun goes and comes on and off. You know. Go dig out where you are. Search the place out. Search the beautiful natural places. You know. Search where the water bodies are. The different kind of water bodies that you have in your area. Okay. If you're having fun, enjoying yourself. Lovely, isn't it? Look at the beautiful clouds, the blue and the white sky, and then the trees are dry. The trees are dry. The branches are dry in between. We're still in spring. By June now, you'll be amazed. All the trees will have green leaves and flowers. You know? Okay. That's me. I just came back from work and just decided to do this. You know. So bless you. Have a glorious Easter. Easter, yes. Celebrate your Easter well with your family. You know, appreciating what Jesus Christ did for us. Yes, the gift of salvation. An unquantifiable gift. Yes. Can you give your life for your family? Can you give your life for your children? You know. If you cannot, then appreciate what Jesus Christ have done for you and I. the gift of salvation. Blessed be his name forevermore. Amen. Until I come your way next time, it is your friend and always your friend and Walk for Life, Naomi Ulisakwe. Remain blessed. Bye.